Critics have slammed the NSA after documents leaked by former NSA contractor Edward Snowden reveal the extent of the agency's spying reach. This lawsuit has been brought by several organizations, including Human Rights Watch and the Wikipedia Foundation. It claims the NSA is violating Americans' right to privacy and targets individuals worldwide who are now less likely to share what may be considered privileged information. So what exactly does the NSA do? What are its powers? And how did this lawsuit come about? Our correspondent, Jim Spellman, finds out.
The U.S. National Security Agency has faced intense criticism over its massive data collection programs. Now the NSA may have to address some of those criticisms in a U.S. court after several groups filed suit against the intelligence agency.
The NSA is not simply surveilling the communications of its targets, but is surveilling the communications of essentially everyone to find information about those targets.
The lawsuit was filed by the organization behind the online encyclopedia Wikipedia, the American Civil Liberties Union, and others. The NSA is the U.S. spy organization tasked with collecting electronic intelligence, things like emails and phone calls. As technologies like mobile phones and laptop computers spread, the agency became more and more capable of tracking communications. For years, the agency was so obscure, the NSA's nickname was No Such Agency. It operated mostly in secret until this man entered the scene.
My name's Ed Snowden. I'm 29 years old. I work for Booz Allen Hamilton as an infrastructure analyst for NSA in Hawaii.
In a series of leaks, Snowden revealed the existence of NSA programs that collected huge amounts of personal information from millions of Americans and heads of government around the world. The suit claims those programs violate the constitutional rights of U.S. citizens.
Our challenge asserts Fourth Amendment claims for the violation of Americans' privacy, First Amendment claims for its effect on Americans' right to free expression and free inquiry, and it also asserts that the challenge spying program goes beyond the authority that Congress gave the NSA when it passed a controversial spying law in 2008.
In 2014, the U.S. president promised a set of reforms to rein in some of the NSA's more controversial programs.
I'm confident that it allows us to do what is necessary in order to deal with the dangers of a terrorist attack, but does so in a way that addresses some of the concerns that people had raised.
But a year later, critics say only modest steps have been taken to protect individual privacy or allow more transparency. Striking a balance between privacy and security remains a constant challenge for U.S. authorities in the post-9/11 world.
We need to be open to people. We can't always tell them what we're doing, but we need to be open enough with our government so that it knows what it's doing, so that its officials can in turn turn to our people and say, I'm sorry I can't tell you everything. You wouldn't want me to tell you everything that is being done to protect you, because that would undermine our ability to protect you.
The lawsuit asks the NSA to stop this large-scale collection of data and to delete the information it's currently storing. It's not clear how far this lawsuit will get. Other similar lawsuits haven't gotten past the preliminary stages. The people behind this suit say that because of all the information released by Edward Snowden in the form of these NSA documents, that their lawsuit will have a better chance than those others. Jim Spellman, CCTV, Washington.